In the latest development of the current political climate situation in the country, Minister for Communication and Aviation, Honorable Fredrick Kologeto, has been sworn in as the country's new Deputy Prime Minister. Honorable Kologeto replaces Honorable Bradley Tovusia, who resigned from the Deputy Prime Minister's post on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament Honorable Kati Nori was sworn in as the new Minister of Women, Youth, Children and Family Affairs, replacing Honorable Frida Rangirei, who resigned from the government side to join the opposition. Honorable Ricky Fuo and Honorable Derek Manuaru have left the opposition group to join GNAT. Government House confirmed to SIBC News that Member of Parliament for Central Kwarai, Honorable Ricky Fuo, was sworn in as the Minister for Infrastructure Development, while Member of Parliament for West Makira, Honorable Derek Manuari, was sworn in as the Minister for Mines, Energy and Rural Electrification. Fuo replaces Honorable Manasseh Mailanga, while Manuari replaces Honorable Bradley Tovusia, who resigned from their ministerial positions early last week. On Friday, Member of Parliament for North Malaita constituency have left the opposition group and joined the government. He was sworn in as the Minister for Rural Development. He replaces former Minister for Rural Development, Honorable Roland Seleso, who resigned early last week to join the opposition group.